Welcome to Insight for Healthier Life by E.I. Williams. Today, we are diving into a powerful technique that can help you overcome insomnia or sleeplessness and achieve better sleep. Progressive muscle relaxation. If you find yourself tossing and turning at night, struggling to quiet your mind, this method could be a game changer for you. Stay tuned as we guide you step by step on how to effectively apply progressive muscle relaxation to improve your sleep quality. Now, what is progressive muscle relaxation? Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR for short, involves systematically tensing and then relaxing muscle groups throughout the body, allowing you to become more aware of physical sensations and gradually easing into a state of calmness. Now, let me guide you through each step of PMR to enhance your sleep quality and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. 1. Starting with the feet. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position or lying down. Take a deep breath in, and as you inhale, gently tense the muscles in your feet by curling your toes downward. Hold this tension for a count of 4, then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth, allowing your feet to relax completely. Feel the tension melt away. 2. Moving to the legs. Inhale deeply again as you tighten the muscles of your calves and thighs. Hold for a count of 4. As you exhale, release the tension, feeling your legs become loose and relaxed. Notice the sensation of relaxation spreading through your legs. 3. Focusing on the thighs and buttocks. Inhale, gently raise your buttocks and thighs slightly off the chair as you tense these muscles. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing these muscles to relax completely, sinking comfortably into your seat. 4. Relaxing the chest and abdomen. Take a deep breath in, filling your chest and abdomen with air. Hold for a count of 4, feeling the tension in these areas. Then exhale slowly, letting go of any tightness or stress you may be holding in your chest and abdomen. 5. Releasing tension in the back and neck. Inhale deeply as you arch your back slightly and tense the muscles. Hold for 4 seconds. As you exhale, feel the tension dissolve, allowing your back settle into a comfortable and relaxed position. Now, repeat for the neck muscle. 6. Relaxing the hands. Again, inhale deeply as you tense the hand muscles. Hold for 4 seconds. Then exhale while releasing the tension on the muscles. Feel the tension released from the hand muscles as you focus on the moment. Seven. Relaxing the shoulders. Inhale as you raise your shoulders towards your ears, tensing the muscles in your shoulders. Hold for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through the mouth, allowing your shoulders to drop down naturally, releasing any remaining tension. 8. Letting go of jaw tension. Inhale gently as you clench your jaw tightly. Hold for a count of 4. Exhale and let your jaw relax completely, allowing your teeth to slightly part and your face to soften. 9. Relaxing facial muscles. Inhale as you scrunch up your face, tightening all the muscles. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale and let your facial muscles relax completely, smoothing out any furrows or lines. 10. Releasing tension in the head. Inhale deeply as you tense the muscles in your scalp. Hold for a count of 4. Exhale slowly, allowing your scalp and forehead to relax completely. As you complete this progressive muscle relaxation session, take a moment to notice how your entire body feels now compared to when you began. Enjoy the sensation of relaxation and calmness that flows through you. Practicing this technique regularly can help reduce insomnia, alleviate stress, and improve overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on improving your sleep and overall well-being. Thank you for joining me in this session. Remember, relaxation is a skill that improves with practice. So, take time for yourself and enjoy the benefits of a relaxed mind and body. Sleep well, friends, and have a good night.